Hi, I'm Shazad. We have been talking about creating and managing documents online over the web instead of having them locally. And we discussed many advantages like our documents are stored over the web and can be accessed from anywhere from the world. Wherever we have the access to the web, we can connect to the internet, log into our account, and uh, uh, manage our documents. We can read them, we can modify them, we can print them. The other advantage is the sharing of those documents with other people in different roles like view only or edit, and view roles can be given, and it's very easy to manage access to other people. So the sharing of the documents has become very easy. But at the same time, there is one issue. The issue is like obviously we are depending on the internet. It's true, like the documents can be accessed globally and can be shared easily, but usually when we work at home or work at office, we need to have those documents available all the time. So if for some reason internet has gone down, or that there is some problem with the access to the internet, that means we can't work on those documents. So that is a big dependency on the internet. Today we will talk about how can we manage the solution to this problem. Today we will also talk about a little bit about the Google Documents, because in last session we talked about Microsoft, to create and manage documents using Microsoft Windows Live account. Today we will see how the same kind of functionality is available on the Google Docs as well, and then we will talk about how can we download the documents. So the solution to this problem, if we don't want to fully depend on the internet, and what we can do, we can create and manage documents over the web. So that will be the web one will be our master copy. So the storage on the web will be the master storage of our all the documents, and whenever we want to do any change or anything on those documents, we will go to the web and do whatever is supposed to be done. But to be ready for the exceptional situation, for the for the situation when the internet is not available, what we can do, we can periodically download those documents. So say every day or every hour, or at the end of the day, or whenever there is critical change done over the internet or over the web, what we can do, we can download all the documents to our local computer as well. So that means we will have a backup of all the documents on our local computer as well. And if for some reason internet is not working, and we are in the office or at home, and we want to work on those documents, we want to access those documents, we want to do some changes, we can simply access them locally from our computer, because the same copy is downloaded to our local computer as well. And we can download these local copies to more than one computers as well. Okay, so if internet doesn't work, or there is some issue into going over the internet, we can simply open the document from local computer and use it. But we need to be careful in this approach. If internet is not working and we are going to use the local copy, and we make some changes, that means now we have two different versions of the same document. One is over the web and one is local. So the local one has some modifications and the internet one doesn't have those modifications. So we need to be careful if in this kind of situation happens and we do make changes to the document, that to the copy of the document that is stored locally, we must remember to update that document over the net as well, so that both of the versions are same and all the changes that are done locally are updated over the internet as well. Because the master copy is the internet one, we should prefer to use those documents over the internet. But if for some reason internet doesn't work, then we use the local copy, and if any change or any modification is done, we update the local copy over the web. So we will go through this process today. First of all, we will have a look at the Google Documents as well, and then we will see how can we synchronize, how can we download or upload the changes, how can we download from internet to our local machine, and how can we upload from our local machine to the internet. And after that, we will also see how can we manage different kind of documents. Okay, so let's start. So first is we connect to the okay. To access the Microsoft documents, we used to log into the Windows Live account, and to access the Google Docs, we can go to docs.google.com, and using our Google account or Google email, we can log into. Okay, here is the home page for my documents. I have different kinds of documents already there. So what we can do, say I create a, okay, so first of all we can create different kind of documents, same like we can do a document, presentation, spreadsheet, form or drawing. Usually we deal with document most of the time and spreadsheets. Presentation, form and drawing are rare, but we can create them. Presentation is like when we are going to present some idea to someone, we will just write bullet points and graphs and images, and then we explain, show the presentation and explain what is the idea behind. Form we will talk about later. Form is a very nice feature, and it can be used to, it can be used to show some question and get some feedback from the people. It's kind, we can put some control question and the user can give some answer and can submit their answer, and then we can see the results how the people have submitted the answer. Drawing is clear from the name. Okay, so we can create these kind of documents. Now we also talk about how can we manage different kind of documents. For example, when we are dealing with documents, we have different kind of documents, and obviously if we are dealing with if we are keeping the records of different customer or different things, then we have to manage all those documents properly. So in Google Documents, they have given the concept of the collection. So what we can do, we can create a folder like thing. So we can say create new collection. Say if I want to manage all my documents related to customer 1, so I will say, if I will create a collection, I will say customer 1 documents. Okay, or if not customer 1 documents, if you want to say okay, all the tax related documents are here, for example say tax documents will go into this collection. And if there is an other collection that you want to make, okay, so we have to select properly. So what, now I'm making, this is the parent collection, my collection, then I already have this collection, then tax documents. So I can create nested collections as well, like this new collection is done under the tax documents. But if I want to create a collection under my collection, then I will have to select the parent first and then go for the, so tax collection, tax documents, or I can say school documents here. And similarly, if I want to manage something else in uh, or say shopping documents goes here. And if we want to go even further, like if under the tax document I want to do more collections, for example under the tax I say property, for example all the documents, all the tax documents related to property will go into this folder, and all the tax documents related to business will go into this one. Now this collection is extra, so this is this we don't want here. Is there a move functionality to the property business? Okay, property action. Okay, we can't move it, so any action here? No. Okay, so what I can do, I can delete this one from here, move to bin, and then I can maybe rename this new collection to business. Okay, so now under text I have a property and business collection, and in my collection I have this folder, shopping document, school document, and text document. Now I have a way to organize all these documents. So all the documents that are related to school or shopping will go here. So now in this folder I can go here and I can say create new, and it will ask me what do I want to create new. I say I create document. So this document, come on, okay, so we can write and then we can give a name here, shopping 1, and it will save the document. Okay. Okay, so here we have one document called shopping 1 that we just added, and similarly if we want to create a new spreadsheet in the shopping 1, we can create a new spreadsheet here as well, and I will not write anything, I will simply say ss1. So and then I will go back and okay, so now I have two documents in this collection, ss1 and shopping 1, and similarly in this collection I already have some documents in here, and I can create as many documents in each of the collection. So this way I can organize my documents into different folders or different collections, so I can keep them separate uh, based on the kind of documents they are. Okay, now the similar kind of thing can be done in Microsoft documents as well. So let's go to the Microsoft side. I have logged into my account, and I can see all my recent documents in here. Now if I want to organize these different documents into different collections, over here what we can do, we can create a folder. So the concept on this side is the folder. So I have to create a new folder, and then the folder is like a collection. So in same way I can say text documents, and now I'm in the text documents, and I can add files, I can create new files, I can add some of the existing files to this folder. Okay. I can simply drop the files from my local computer if we already have some files on our computer and want to upload those files. So I say I put this document over here, so I can put my documents over here and they will go to this folder. Okay, now this document is here, and within this folder now I can share, I can move, copy, rename, I can download. Now if this document say I went to this document and if this is not a Word document, what if I office text document, say I add a new Word document into Microsoft text document. Okay, it looks like browser has some issue, so I'm using Google Chrome and there is some issue with Google Chrome, or maybe this document, maybe some component is missing. So I will simply go back, but we can create document here. If you can try, if you also have some issue with the Google Chrome, you can use Internet Explorer or some other browser. The, but the idea that we're discussing is we can create as many folders as we want. We can upload the documents to our folders, and then we can share those folders, we can manage them, and we can download these documents to our local computer as well. So I have these folders and then these documents. Say this text document, say I go here and you can see the option here, download as a zip file. So what I can do, I can go and download as a zip file. Now this zip file is on my computer. Okay, so this we try to create two documents. One document was actually uploaded from computer to the online folder, and one was created on the online folder. Now I can save these two documents anywhere on my local computer. Say I go to my libraries and documents, and I create a new folder. Say online documents, and in here I can paste. Okay, now if for some reason internet doesn't work, say internet is not working, I have them over here into my computer libraries document online doc, and I can open this document, make changes to it. Okay, so then we can type in whatever we want. So if we say this document is modified on my local computer, so I do my modifications on my local document, and then if I want to update this document over the internet, what I can do, I can go add files, and I can simply drop this one in here. Okay, we need to be sure like it should be updated at the same place. If it should be go to the same text document, we downloaded from the text document, and if we upload it into a different folder, that means we will have two copies of the same document, and they both will be different. One will be old and one will be new, so we update at the same place. And now when I open this document, if I'm able to open on this browser, no, something is wrong. So something is missing on this, or what I can do, I can try on the Internet Explorer. Okay, let's go to Office, and view all, and we go to this folder that we created, text documents, and within this document, this was the document that we uploaded. So we say just add it in browser, okay, so you see the line that we wrote on our local computer, and then we uploaded this document, and we can see these changes on the internet document as well. So that is the way, like we can keep all the documents over the web and then a copy, the most updated copy of all our documents to the local computer as well. In case our internet doesn't work and we need a document, so at least we have a copy of all of those documents on our local computer. We can open them, print them or change them. But if they are changed, then we need to make sure those changes are updated, those documents are uploaded again into the same place, so that we have the recent changes over the internet as well. And same thing can be done on the Google as well. For example, if I have if I have these three documents into my collection base, it's like a folder, and I should have some option like download. Yeah, I can download from here as well. So it also gives me option in which format do I want to download. So there are two documents that can go as a Microsoft Word document and one spreadsheet as Microsoft Excel. So if I want to download these document as Microsoft Word, fine. If I want to download HTML as an HTML open document, PDF rich text, I can select the format as well. So if I want this Excel as Microsoft Excel, fine, I can download it as PDF document as well and Microsoft Open Office. So it will change or convert the format for me as well. Then I will simply say download. It will now zip these files, compress these files, and once it will compress, then we can go and say download. So now it has downloaded. Here it is, the base, and we can see this folder. So I can simply extract or copy to my documents and paste here. Okay, so here they are. Now if I change something in document 2, so it also is modified locally. So okay, I need to enable editing here. So say I type something else here, change it, save it. Now customer 2 is modified. So if I have to update over here as well, what I will do, I will say base, and what is the option here is upload. Yes, here it is. So we can upload from here. We can say upload file. We can upload folders as well. We can upload a complete folder from our local machine as well, but at the moment we are uploading one, or we can upload complete folder, the folder that we were dealing with. So where is our folder? It should be documents, where is my documents? Library, C users, where is library? C users, and my document. Yes, here it is. So we can select this whole folder and then we can say upload. And now it is uploading the whole folder, so it will upload all the documents from that folder. This feature is quite good. Like if for the first time we have many documents stored locally and we want all of them to upload on the internet, then we can simply upload all the folders, and once uploaded then we can share as well. So this way we can synchronize our documents, keep their backups on our local machine, make changes, and then upload over the internet again as well. And we can see both of these Google and Microsoft side, they almost provide similar feature and quite easy to use as well. Okay, we will see what we can do in next session, and maybe we'll talk about more about these forms and drawings, and if we get some other interesting feature over there, then we will talk about those in the next session.